Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to listen to Spotify on your TV but don't have CHROMECAST, don't worry because there are several other methods that work great. Step 1. Check if your TV has built-in Spotify support. Many smart TVs from Samsung, LG, and other brands come with Spotify already installed or available in their App Store. Just go to your TV's App Store, search for Spotify, and download it if you haven't already. Step 2. Use AirPlay if you have an Apple device like an iPhone or Mac. Open Spotify on your Apple device, find the song you want to play, and look for the AirPlay icon. Tap it and select your Apple TV from the list. Your audio will stream directly to your TV. Step 3. Consider getting an Apple TV if you're in the Apple ecosystem. It's one of the best alternatives to CHROMECAST and works seamlessly with Spotify and all your other apps. Step 4. Try Bluetooth connectivity if your TV supports it. Some newer TVs allow you to pair your phone via Bluetooth, then play Spotify directly. Go to your TV's Bluetooth settings, put your phone in pairing mode, and connect them together. Step 5. Use an HDMI cable with an audio adapter as a last resort. Connect your phone or laptop to your TV using an HDMI cable, and your Spotify audio will play through your TV's speakers. This gives you reliable wired connectivity without needing any special devices.